Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into a tutorial on how to transfer ownership of a Slack workspace. This will be your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. The first step to transfer ownership is to open your Slack workspace. Make sure you're logged in as an admin or owner because only these roles have the necessary permissions to transfer ownership. The reason we do this is to maintain the security and integrity of your workspace. Next up, navigate to the main menu by clicking on your workspace name located at the top left corner of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Administration, then Workspace Settings. The reason we do this is to get to the section where we can manage and change owner settings for the workspace. Now that we've done that, scroll down to the Owners section. Here you'll see a list of current workspace owners. To transfer ownership, click on Change Workspace Owners. This will open a dialog box where you can select the new owner. The reason we do this is because this is where Slack allows us to officially change the workspace ownership. Once you're in the dialog box, type in the email address of the new owner. Remember, the new owner must already be a member of your workspace. After you've entered the email, click Change Owner. Slack will then send a confirmation email to the new owner, who must accept the ownership transfer. This helps us because it ensures the new owner is aware of and agrees to the transfer. Finally, follow the prompts to confirm the transfer. Once the new owner accepts the transfer, you will no longer be the owner of the workspace. The reason we do this is to finalize the transfer process and make sure it's done correctly and securely. And that's it. You've successfully transferred ownership of your Slack workspace. Remember, effective communication is key during this process to ensure a smooth transition. Thanks for tuning in to our tutorial today. Until next time, stay productive and keep exploring all that Slack has to offer.